everyone! At Eating the Ingohan, normally certain foods like these meat leftovers are not suitable for composting, but there is an amazing method which allows us to compost practically anything, and it's so easy. This is my bokashi bin, and I'm going to show you how I use it. I simply place the waste into the bin like so. And I add some of this amazing bran to the bin. And we now need to compact down the compost. We do this to remove as much oxygen as possible from the mixture to help the organisms do their work. And then we cap off the mixture with some cardboard. And that is the basics of the first part of this amazing system. I will continue the process in my next video. For more information on bokashi, check out my website at compostsecrets.com and read my new ebook, Compost Practically Anything and the Compost Revolution, both of which are linked in the description below. Hi, thanks for listening to me, and I will see you soon. Aloha!